Hey, what's up, guys? Big day today. What you see here in front of you is fresh paint that was just sprayed less than 24 hours ago. We we finally made it to paint stage. So of course, I'm excited, happy to see what we've done so far. This car has not been buffed yet. Of course, this is just right out of the booth, 24 hours. They have not buffed it yet, but she has been sprayed. A couple things that I've already pointed out to them that we need to give some attention to, so they'll be fixing that. But so if you see some stuff, feel free to comment. Feel free to let me know what you think. But just understand that this is preliminary. It's not the finished product. This is just really the first pass, if you will. So we'll be making adjustments as we go along. Things that need to be corrected will be corrected. Things that need to be changed will be changed, and all that good stuff. So, but anyways, as you can see, she is sprayed. The hood came out real nice. Really happy with the stripe and how it all came out. That stripe does continue from the front to the back, just like the rendering, the drawing that I posted a couple weeks ago. Still got some work to do, of course, on the floor pans and miscellaneous stuff inside the car. And of course the spoiler will need to be finished, and a couple of other little things. But like I said, we got paint on it, so that's exciting. So hopefully my next couple posts will be of some of the finishing touches that they'll be doing to the car. We still got work to do on the mirrors. Some corrections on some of the striping that needs to be addressed. But for the most part, she's looking pretty good. That red is super bright. Super bright. And it's crazy too, because this is the exact same red that's on my 96 Impala. For those of you who know or have seen my, it looks real good. Thank you, man. Looks really good. Yeah, for those of you who know me, who've seen my Impala, they know that that this is a color that we've used a couple times now, and that hood scoop with the black stripe is like almost identical to what we did on the Impala. The hood with the Z01 Camaro insert. I mean, that was taken directly from a page in the book of my Impala. But yeah, this thing is like I said, it's still a work in progress. Not finished yet, so don't beat me up too bad in the comments. But like I said, it's at this point, just fresh paint, needs to be buffed. We got decals that are going to go on this car. I asked them to spray as much as they could as far as the stripes and everything. I tried to get them to spray the decals too, but he said that he didn't want to risk spraying the decals. So, not the decals, but the emblems, the badges. So we will have some vinyl on the car, but only just the badges. So it won't be too much. But anyways, we got that. Yeah, I'm real happy with what I see so far. I'm just looking forward to seeing the final touches once it's buffed and all the badges are on it, and everything is nice and neat as it should be. But definitely a great start to begin with. So